Going on, guys? In my previous video I have told you guys about static is basically it pass through multiple variables at the same time. Like here we have member 1, member 2, member 3, and here we created the static in members, and it just counted all these three variables like 1, 2, 3. Whenever we put a new member in the club, it just counted. Now here we are going to see a little bit furthermore about static. Now let's go and see that. First, under this system.out statement I created in my last video, I'm going to go ahead and continue something more. Okay, now I'm going to create some method called public string get first, and then it returns the first name, return first name, and again I copy this one and paste it 2 more times. Copy this and paste it right here, and here we are going to put get last, and this one let's return last. Get members, return members. Okay, now we are done with this, and some errors are showing up. Let's see what is this. Members is what we created here. Members, return members, get members, return last. Let's see what's the error. Change from method return type into string. Return type was int before, and we changed it in string. Okay, let's try this. Okay, here I go to the other class, and let's try calling those things. To do that, I go and type something like system.println, system.out.println, and then bracket semicolon. I copy this one and paste it 2 more times. Okay, in the first one I'm going to type member 1 dot get first, member 1 dot get first, and then here I'm going to type member 2 dot get last, and here I had a bracket, and then here I'm going to type member 3 dot get members. Okay, now let's see, we still have that error. Okay, here I have some errors in the members. Now let's see, return members. Let's go ahead and see one by one. Package apples, public class apples, private string, and then I initiated members equal to 0. Okay, this one should be int here, so that's the problem, because I cannot change to string. That's an integer number that we are trying to get, so that's why it's showing there on static int. Okay, now we are good with this, and curly bracket, I think one is extra. Yeah, now we are done with it. Everything is perfect. Now we can go ahead and run. Now let's run this one and see what we get. Now you can see when we call member.getFirst is calling the first name we given, member1 first name Megan, and then member2.getLast is second name we given, the last name is Gomez, and then the third one we gave is member3.getMembers. It's gonna get the members, how many members we have, like that, and that's why static is good, because it doesn't change based on anything. It just stay like it can be used for multiple things. Now let's say we want to change everything into member2. Now let's see what happens. Now you can see it's printing out the first name for Selena and second name of the Gomez, because that's the second name we given. But even though if we give member2, get members is same, because we still have 3 members, so it's a constant variable. That's why static doesn't change whichever the member you put, because it's just for the members, and that's how it works. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys in my next video. And I forgot to mention one more thing, just one more thing. I will show it right here and in this video. So here we can do one more thing, that instead of creating object, usually we create, if we go to other class, we create the object and call this one. But here you have to just put in this bracket apples is the other class I created. Just directly you can put apples dot object, not object, get members, and it will still give the number 3, because that's a good thing about static. You don't have to create a new object for this one. You can just you can create the new object as well, but you can call it directly as well. Here we have 3. Okay, that's all in this tutorial. See you guys in my next video.